Let's review a file that we closed in Indiana for $410,000. It was 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, and it's a pretty nice looking property, fully renovated. And specs for this was that this person put down 25% down payment. You don't have to do that. There are plenty of loan programs where it allows you to put lower than this. Monthly liability for him, it was around $4,500, and there was only one borrower on this file with credit scores of 740. His household income was $92,000. He's a 1099 Uber driver, and the property taxes were $4,130 there, and home insurance $970 for the year. And the loan program that he used was a bank statement loan program. So for bank statement loan program, you do need 720 credit score. He has 740. You do need 20% down payment for this type of loan program, but he put down 25, and there's no income check on tax returns. We're checking your income based on your bank statements, how much money was deposited into your bank accounts, okay? And for his CD now, $410,000 sale price. After putting down 25% down payment, the loan amount is going to be $307,000. Interest rate that he received was 5.99, and principal and interest is going to be 1841. Okay, there's no prepayment penalty. He can refinance anytime, and there's no surprises, and so there's no balloon payment allowed either. Okay, so if you're a first-time home buyer, you want to see no's in this section here. Okay, 1841 was his principal and interest. On top of that, you have your escrow for $425, which will cover your property taxes and home insurance when the time comes. Okay, he still has to pay his HOA dues. That is going to be separate. Okay, so his total closing cost was $17,000 there. And how do we get this number? So origination charges, right? Typically we see around $1,200 to $1,500 there, but this one is nearly $8,600 because he had to pay broker's fees because he went with a non-QM loan. Okay. Second was in your section B here, the services that he did not shop for, his appraisal fees and others, $917 there. The title company for title searches and all that was nearly $1,844. So collectively in section A, B, C, you see total in section D here for $11,429. Okay, government fees, a lot less than compared to New York, only $110 in Indiana there. Okay, prepays, the services that he paid for before closing or at closing, which included his home insurance and prepaid interest. Okay, $1,300 there. And home insurance for escrow account, right? So the escrow account that we're starting off with, we want to put 3 months of their home insurance and 7 months of property taxes, right? This is calculated on each case-by-case scenarios there. So nearly $2,500 went there. Okay, when you add up all of them there, you can see it was $17,000 there. Okay, so if you're thinking about purchasing in Indiana or in New York, we're licensed in 8 states. We have 12 loan officers. If you have any questions, please get in touch.